In this level, you'll learn to play the open E chord. It includes your index finger, middle finger, and your ring finger. To grab this chord, you put your index finger on the first fret of the G string. Then add your middle finger to the second fret of the A string. And finally, add your ring finger to the second fret of the D string. So, counting from the thinnest string, your index finger goes on the first fret of the third string. Your middle finger goes on the second fret of the fifth string. And your ring finger goes on the second fret of the fourth string. This is the open E chord. If you already know the open E minor chord, you can just grab that chord and simply add your index finger to the first fret of the third string. And there you have the open E chord. To play it, you strum all 6 strings starting with the thickest string. The following lessons will teach you to grab this chord one finger at a time, but if you want, you can jump straight to the lesson that teaches the full chord. Good luck.